to discuss about a very interesting topic, that is about the cell organelles. The cell organelles are the small structure which are scattered in the cytoplasm, and there are various type of cell organelles which are present in the cell to perform its different function. As the cell organelles means the parts of the cell, in our body we are having different organs to perform their functions. So similarly in the cell there are different type of organelles which are present to perform the various function, and today we will discuss about the powerhouse of the cell, that is called the mitochondria, and we will study about this in detail. These are the small rod like structure which are found in all the cells, and as we all know that whether there is a plant cell or an animal cell, both the cell they need energy to perform its function. But from where did they will get this energy? They are getting this energy from the organelle. That organelle is called mitochondria. So I will discuss one example with you. If you are having any phone, mobile phone you are having, and it is not working, suppose it is not working, but what would be the reason it is not working? The reason is this mobile phone requires a battery to get the energy so that it will work. And similarly in a cell there is a mitochondria which provide energy for all the activities. Then like this mobile phone, whenever it will get its battery, it will get its energy and it will perform its function. But whenever it is not having any battery or the energy source, it will not work properly. So the mitochondria, it is a cell organelle which is present in all the cell. They are giving energy for all the activities. So mitochondria produces energy, and this mitochondria is a double membrane. Double membrane mean it is made up of, there is a outer membrane and there is a inner membrane, and this rod like structures, or this can be the thread like structures, they are present in the cell. These can be the rod like, cylindrical, and mitochondria means, when you are going to split this word, mito mean thread like, there are the granules which are present in a cell, whether there is a plant cell or there is a animal cell. In both the cell this organelle is present to get the energy for all the activities. But how this energy is produced in the cell? What's the different structures which are present in this mitochondria so that it is able to produce the energy? There is a two membrane, one is outer membrane and other one is inner membrane, and you can see the pictures very carefully that in the inner membrane this is extensively folded, whereas outer membrane is not so. The outer membrane and the inner membrane. This outer membrane is porous, which means the transport of materials across itself can take place. But what's the interesting thing about this inner membrane? Inner membrane is having the folds, and these folds are called crista. These folds are called crista, and they are having providing, therefore they are having the large surface area. But why there is a need for having this large surface area of inner membrane? Because in the inner membrane there is the oxidation of food occurs with the help of various enzymes, and I know you know about the process of oxidation, that is the respiration. You know ना कि in respiration process there is a breakdown of food with the help of oxygen, और जो भी breakdown of food होता है वो कहाँ होता है? It is in the mitochondria. इसलिए यहाँ से energy in the mitochondria जो energy produce होती है, because of that energy we are able to perform the activities. So this energy is produced by the oxidation of food, and where it is inside the inner membrane. And large surface area would be the wider base, जिसकी वजह से वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा enzymes होंगे और वो क्या produce करेंगे? There will be more energy, and energy is in the form of ATPs. And this inner part of this membrane is also having the matrix, which is containing different enzymes and having the large surface area for the production of energy. And very interesting thing about this mitochondria is that this organelle is having its own DNA. आपने पढ़ा था ना न्यूक्लियस के अंदर भी डीएनए होता है, तो दिस माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज हैविंग इट्स ओन डीएनए. सो एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो हैविंग द राइबोसोम्स जस्ट लाइक द न्यूक्लियस, जिसकी वजह से ये क्या कर सकता है? इट कैन रेप्लिकेट इटसेल्फ. तो दे आर द रेप्लिकेशन, दे कैन मेक द कॉपीज ऑफ इटसेल्फ. ओके, सो दीज माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया आर एबल टू प्रोड्यूस इट्स ऑन प्रोटीन ऑल्सो. तो अपने जो हमारे इसकी जो बहुत सारे functions are like it can produce the proteins, it is having its own need DNA. But how this organelle will produce energy, I told you, whenever we are eating any food, this food is going to be break down with the help of oxygen. That process is called respiration, where this respiration process takes place in the mitochondria in the inner membrane, because of which the energy is released in the form of ATP. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. They are known as energy currency of the cell, जिसकी वजह से we can perform the various activities or daily life. So this is up to here. What's the function of cell, function of mitochondria, what is ATP, how this what's the inner membrane function, outer membrane function, and how they are working. So this is up to here. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of cell, which produces the energy as ATP, and these ATP are also known as energy currency of the cell. Thank you.